Namaste everyone, मैं हूं समय भारी आकाश तिवारी and with me we have once again Mr. Vishwanath Shetty, Vice President of Pocket Aces. Hello sir जी.
Hi guys, hi Akash.
हेलो. सो एक मतलब मेरे को स्टार्ट इधर से करना है कि बहुत कम टाइम होता है जब ऐसा कोई सामने से बोलता है कि ओके वी नीड टू टॉक ऑन दिस टॉपिक. ठीक है. एंड अगर किसी ने ऐसा बोलता है मतलब वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. ठीक है. तो यू टोल्ड मी कि लेट्स स्पीक ऑन दिस. ऑब्वियसली मैं आपको एक साल से बोल रहा हूँ कि हमको एक फिजिकल पॉडकास्ट करना ही करना है, बट वो बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीजन नहीं हो पा रहा. बट देयर वाज दिस वन थिंग कि आपने बोला कि लेट्स टॉक ऑन दिस टॉपिक, मतलब इस पे बोलना ही है. तो ऐसा क्यों? लाइक यूजुअली ये होता है जब यू वांट टू से समथिंग बहुत ऐसा बहुत अंदर से ये है बट नहीं वो किधर निकल नहीं पा रहा है.
The thing is कि मुझे लग रहा है कि a lot of trend ना, a lot of people talk about it once it is out there largely. So I always like have been in a business where we catch the trend really early, right? And we have been like talking about gaming for last like think 3 years, 2.5 years. Company perspective से भी Loco has always been like focusing on gaming and streaming and esports and all that. तो और बीच में basically PUBG ban हो गया था. So everything basically went on a pause, like right from the whole community. अब वापस आया है. So the excitement of the whole community is at a different level altogether. तो जो सबको लग रहा था कि क्या होगा, जैसे basically कहीं ना कहीं TikTok का हुआ था. And once TikTok exited the market and a lot of influencers still like latched on to other platforms. Gaming में basically there was the publisher who went out. तो पब्लिशर जब बेसिकली आपका जो गेम होता है जिसके कारण आप फेमस होते हो, अगर वो ही एग्जिट कर गया, देन यू ट्राई एंड सी कि हम लोग क्या नेक्स्ट करें. ऑल्सो लाइक वी हैड सीन अ लॉट ऑफ फेमस गेमर इन्फ्लुएंसर्स कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम पबजी. और लेट्स बी वेरी वेरी ऑनेस्ट कि इंडिया में गेमिंग रेवोल्यूशन लाया पबजी ने, राइट? हमने बहुत सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के नाम सुने हैं एंड देयर आर एन नंबर ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स दैट वी नो ऑफ. बट अब इफ यू सी देयर आर न्यू गेमर्स हु आर कमिंग अप. तो अभी इस कम्युनिटी के बारे में बात करना आई थिंक इज रियली रियली इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट ई स्पोर्ट्स इन जनरल. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू कि अगर कोई पॉडकास्ट करना है हमें किसी रेलेवेंट टॉपिक पे, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट गेमिंग एंड ई स्पोर्ट्स एंड व्हाट इज गोना बी द फ्यूचर टाइप्स, राइट?
ओके.
So that's why I wanted like to like quickly do it. Otherwise क्या होता है फिर वो हर कोई basically conversation करता है and then it becomes यार ठीक है ये सुना हुआ है.
I was like रात को 2-2:30 बजे से मैं अपना विश्वनाथ शेट्टी पे सर्च कर रहा था, and like I have seen like last 3 interviews almost same people have asked you the same questions, है ना? like 2-3 क्वेश्चन तो मैंने भी like एक साल पहले पूछे थे, but like
Correct.
almost same regarding brands and regarding this.
Correct.
Okay, the only industry which is growing at this stage, like हर साल मतलब इतना growth हो रहा है वो e-sports है अभी फिलहाल. Esports is gonna be major thing like in few years, and it's gonna beat the traditional sports like जो cricket होने वाला है, and it's already beating a lot of traditional sports in terms of prize pool and in terms of viewership and in terms of people interested. It's beating a lot of traditional sports already. like US Open का price से ज्यादा esports का price है अभी फिलहाल.
Correct.
And as I told you, like revenue, people participating in it, and the whole viewership, it's going to increase. Like it's going to increase to the second most viewed sport is basketball, first is soccer, and the third is going to be esports, and it's going to beat that as well. Now you tell me कि how are you looking into this thing, and like ये सब सुनने के बाद like what are you thinking about esports, and secondly like how are esports being monetized right now and आगे जाके monetized कैसे होंगे esports?
See, first question basically, whatever stats that you gave are global stats, right?
Yeah.
The major difference in global stats and what Asian stat would be largely क्या होता है in terms of, even when I have to narrow it down to India, comparison mostly होता है mobile और PC game में. So India में all over the world, I think globally PC game बहुत ज़्यादा famous है. And the price pool that you're talking about, I'm sure these are like one of the biggest price pools that a lot of gamers do.
Yeah.
And one of it would be like League of Legends.
League of Legends.
Correct. So League of Legends ka, if I don't know whether you have seen like the on round finals finale, the whole stadium is filled with it, right? And so much so that a lot of these players are largely from Asia, right?
Yeah.
So Asian gamers are leading this gaming fraternity, I would say. And slowly, since 2 years, we are also getting into it, right? but not on PC gaming, but largely from a mobile gaming perspective. जो stat मैंने पढ़ा था कि right now India में 150,000 gamers हैं, and these are serious gamers, right? In 4 years, this gaming or gamers, which are like there are different type of gamers, right? जैसा एक होता है कि you are also a gamer, I am also a gamer. Now there are different, and people play games for different reasons. And ये जो myth था ना कि gaming सिर्फ young बच्चों का खेल है, that's what people say. That's a myth. And there have been studies that a lot of people have done where across age group people play games. Now game does not mean, you know, battle royale games or something else. Game can also be, and esports can also be on Ludo. As simple as that. So there could be Ludo championship, there could be something else, there could be Candy Crush championship. So esports basically doesn't really narrow down to battle royale. It can be multiple formats, firstly. दूसरा, हम लोग अभी इसको monetize कैसे कर रहे हैं? Right. So what we are trying to do is firstly we are trying to, अब let me give you Loco का example. Now Loco क्या करता है? Loco basically बोल रहा है कि guys, if you are interested in this community and if you love gaming like I am, I play BGMI. Now that's my favorite game. I play it basically once in a day at least. So once in a day, whoever plays is a guy who's a committed gamer. अब वो कमिटेड गेमर है, वो दिन में एक बार गेम खेलेगा. नाउ मेरा रीजन अलग है खेलने का, किसी और का रीजन अलग होगा. पीपल प्ले इट फॉर लाइक 10 आवर्स. नाउ ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ स्किल बेस्ड गेम. अगर आप स्किल बेसिस से प्रैक्टिस करते हो क्रिकेट में, आपने जितना प्रैक्टिस किया उतना आप अच्छे हो जाते हो. सिमिलर है इसी स्पोर्ट में भी. सो पीपल स्टार्ट प्लेइंग. If they want to get into a esports championship, they train really hard, and that's how you'll see a lot of boot camps are coming up. Right, like people are getting into one basically building, forming their own boot camp and training and practicing, and also giving chance to a lot of young gamers that they see a potential. Esports कैसा होता है कि people firstly create their own IP. I'll give an example. Basically, e-commerce platform are selling a lot of mobile phones on their platform. Okay. And these guys have like good deals with, for example, OnePlus of the world or your Xiaomi of the world. So they do special things for them ताकि वो सारे phones exclusively उनके platform पे बेचें, right? Now what do? They basically create a lot of IPs so that they can keep them happy. कि आपके platform पे ऐसा क्या हो रहा है कि हम आके आपके platform पे phone बेचें. Now these guys create an IP, they talk to us, they talk to the publisher, and they want to create their own esports at a lower value. I'm saying कि price pool बड़ा होता है. जैसे अभी the game that we're doing, and the company was okay to give us around 75 to 1 crore also as a price pool, right? For a India championship, and that was, everything was happening on air, ऐसा नहीं कि online essentially, and not on ground, but still they were okay. So they want to build those IPs. So that's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is to, of course, create a lot of other content, like how Loco did. Now Loco ने क्या किया? Chacha with Thagwa is another IP that we created, right? अब उसपे क्या है? It's basically talking about gamers' life and how, और उसपे we've got good brands. We got a shaving brand, Gillette. We got a Gillette brand. We got other brands also, but we picked Gillette because it made sense for the content. And there are other monetizing tools like streamers. जब stream करते हैं, so if you see on their screen, you'll see somewhere logo on the screen. So हमारा streaming platform है. So we can monetize the screen when the gamer is playing. So if he's playing an next game, we just want to put a logo of a brand, or sometimes they want to talk about something. So that they can do. फिर influencer campaign होता है, जो generally influencer होते हैं. Got it. So we have X influencers with us, and we do campaigns for them, for a lot of other brands. So these are the way how monetization happens. Okay.
Do you also sell the media rights to some other like brands or some other ways?
Media rights is not media rights. Essentially, you have to be. So what happens, right? Now we are at a stage where this community is growing. So क्या होता है कि publishers don't really give you exclusive rights. They want to. So अगर उन्होंने exclusive rights समझो, अगर BGMI ने exclusive right दे दिया Loco को, but for them then it's a big thing for Loco, and it's a big thing for the community as well. But for BGMI, they want to capitalize on other platforms. So they won't like give you exclusivity media rights. They will give, आपको cover करना है करो, but आपके platform पे हम लोग शायद we can release it first.
Got it.
Then but it will go on other platforms also. So that happens. जैसे live होता है, जैसे क्रिकेट देखते हो आप, क्रिकेट लाइव जाता है, लाइव में एक्साइटमेंट होता है, फिर बाद में आप VOD देखते हो, हाइलाइट्स.
Got it.
तो VOD बाद में दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाता है, जैसे YouTube पे जाएगा, किसी और पे जाएगा.
Got it.
Exactly like that.
So now this is one crazy thing which Loco did. Okay, they have brought a lot of famous Indian gamers एक साथ, like right, Thug हो गया, पायल हो गई, बीच में स्काउट था. right? I think so scout abhi hai ki nahi, I don't know, but like scout hai. Okay, so a lot of like pro players और वो लोग एक साथ आ गए. Usually कैसा होता है कि एक बार like कोई भी एक जैसा Twitch ने एक बार Ninja ले लिया था, right? तो just target one gamer, but you guys just did like तुमने पूरा bunch ही उठा दिया. Okay, that's a very good move. But how are you gonna compete with Twitch, or how are you gonna compete with like YouTube? Because YouTube is, YouTube is finding difficulty to compete with Twitch. You guys are like a very new thing compared to these two mega giants. And अगर if you see also Scout का जैसा example ये हो गया, bio भी होगा, तो उसमें YouTube लेंगे. Getting it? Like even the gamers and the content creators or whatever people are like, they won't leave those two major chunks, है ना? And that's what is how they're happening in TikTok and Reels. Like TikTok का लोग TikTok के सेम कंटेंट रील्स पे डंप कर रहे हैं. YouTube has bought in with shorts, तो लोग रील्स ही डंप कर रहे हैं शॉर्ट्स में, right? But they're not leaving the platform. So
correct. See, the idea is always we have to think from of course, Loco has to think from Loco perspective, but we also think from, and any business for that matter, have to think कि जो talent है और जो influencer है, how is he benefiting, right? The moment tomorrow we do a lot of exclusive deals, so basically क्या होता है, but we have to be very very tactical about it. Because people are really, so they don't want to risk their career just because someone else is offering them money. They say the money is also a second part for them. For them, their career, they're making a career. So they want to be present on other platforms. So ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा until and unless someone basically like a Loco who's now growing rapidly, और Twitch अभी तक इंडिया मार्केट में एंटर नहीं किया, frankly. So ना ही वो लोग इतने aggressive है जितने हम लोग हैं. And I don't know whether you know, so we've got recent funding जहाँ पे Craftdown ने funding किया है लोगों को, right? So that's the stage 2 where we want to now take head-on competition with social media platforms, right? Now it could be YouTube, Facebook, or whoever. So the idea is to interestingly create and excite these gamers to come on Loco, be with Loco. See, also remember one thing, जब BGMI नहीं था, right? जब PUBG ban हुआ था, a lot of gamers were like going helter skelter, क्या करें, क्या करना चाहिए. लोगों को तो ऐसे ट्वीट आते थे या ऐसे मीम्स आते थे कि अभी तो सब्जी बेचो. A lot of so we've seen all this, right? Now for them also it was basically an opportunity for them to explore other creators, other publishers, other basically streaming platforms like us, where Loco supported a lot of them during those times. क्योंकि बाकी कोई आपको YouTube पे मिलता कैसे है रेवेन्यू जब आप व्यूज लाते हो. PUBG के बाद कोई ऐसा गेम नहीं आया जिसने PUBG के जितना व्यूज दिया इंडिविजुअल इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को. बट हियर वी सपोर्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ गेमर्स सेइंग यू डोंट बेसिकली गेट लेट डाउन. We will support you. You start streaming other games on Loco and we will support you essentially. Yeah. And we started supporting them. So that's how there was this love towards Loco that even today when a scout like does, I think chalo, he does 5 hours
I've seen a stream on
yeah, he does it basically also on YouTube, but when he will do on Loco, he won't do on YouTube or other social media platforms. So we have got exclusive slots from him or from all the gamers who are doing exclusive slots with us. And they are using each platform for their advantage. तो largely क्या है कि आप gamers को basically अभी इस time पे support करो and they will support you back. Is what the strategy has been, rather than you becoming greedy and saying कि तुम लोग कल से YouTube पे मत जाओ, वो आपके platform पे आएंगे ही नहीं. So you have to be really, really smart about it. That has been the strategy. Of course, we do a lot of stuff for them, and now going forward, we'll do a lot of stuff for them. We also see now Chacha with Thugwa season 1, season 2 was Thug's IP.
Yeah.
But when we got on board, we monetized it at a different level. So he also got a benefit of it, right?
Got it.
And we have taken rights for like X many years. So now he knows, dude, here is my IP, which I've given it to Loco, and they are basically growing this IP along with me. So it's basically a joint effort. So that's how it is. So yeah, you have to support them, they will support you.
Like Pocket Aces हर एक फील्ड को ऐसे तरीके से दबा रहा है ना, aggressively जाके, मतलब पूरा वो मोनोपोली क्रिएट करने का ट्राई कर रहे हैं.
मोनोपोली का बात नहीं है. Largely what we understand, and I was having this conversation with Anirudh, who basically leads Loco, one of our founders. और ये हम लोगों ने 2.5 साल पहले बात किया था जब Loco का फॉर्म कुछ और था. Loco was HQ Trivia.
हाँ I remember that. बराबर Q&A. हाँ बराबर.
Q&A आता था उस पे, and then it was like KBC that you can play wherever you want and you earn money. So when we were thinking what should be the next step, I remember having this conversation with Ani, where we were sitting at Bangalore में WeWork में, because we have an office there, Bangalore mein, and I travel like other cities to talk to my clients and get revenue.
Okay.
So we were having this conversation कि क्या करना चाहिए, क्या लगता है, and basically in that conversation, and I was like an avid player.
Yeah.
So we were having this conversation कि क्या करें next. So we were on the same page when we were basically discussing कि यार I was playing PUBG and he asked me कि teach me how to play PUBG. And I used to sit with him and we used to play PUBG at his place.
Man.
And then we figured out this whole, and he understood what PUBG was and what this game was doing for the community. So he started playing with me and we used to play together. And then we started also looking at this community. And we then understood, dude, this is basically a huge market. And post that, we changed our strategy. And we changed the whole product. Because streaming करने के लिए you have to like build a robust basically app. ऐसा हवा में नहीं होता basically. So we then rejigged the whole app. आप कितने gamers के साथ खेलोगे, कितने gamers simultaneously stream करेंगे, तो आपके ऐप में कैपेसिटी होना चाहिए वो लोड या वो हैंडल करने का. So we reworked everything and we launched Loco in a new version, which is Loco 2.0, which was basically a streaming platform, game streaming platform. So that really helped. And then of course, वो जब देखा सबने potential, तो eventually funding आ गया, which was the plan. But अभी भी हम लोग basically we've just covered 10% of what we want to do. We have to do a lot many things. तो अभी basically game तो सिर्फ शुरू हुआ है. अभी बड़ा लीग खेलना बाकी है.
Oh damn, बाप रे. जो major competitions है, ठीक है, like the biggest prize pool is of Dota 2.
Correct.
Okay, then it is League of Legends, then it is
Correct.
Fortnite, right?
Correct.
And also Counter-Strike or Call of Duty, I don't know, like, okay, but these are the three major thing. Okay, PUBG and ये सब जो था वो अभी तक नहीं था, मतलब like international Dota के हिसाब से नहीं था. So do you think in the next 3, 4, 5 years ये major competitions change हो जाएंगे and कुछ और आ जाएंगे? Like, do you think about that? और ये simultaneously होंगे?
See, a lot of people have not like started focusing on India market as they should.
Okay.
Right, like Riot का PC गेम छोड़ के और कुछ नहीं है इंडिया.
Got it.
मोबाइल गेमिंग ही नहीं है.
Basically, Riot is of League of Legends, right?
Correct. League of Legends, right? Now Activision, जिसका CODM है, उसका CODM है, but they are not again aggressively focusing on it. I think while PUBG was like banned, a lot of these games should have leveraged. तभी कुछ नहीं.
Yeah, and a lot of people were actually moving to Call of Duty. I've seen like a lot of players also play.
A lot
like,
of them.
CODM.
Yeah. They moved from basically, see, क्योंकि आपके पास मोबाइल गेमिंग इतना ऑप्शंस नहीं है, you automatically move to a PC game. A lot of people move to PC game. जो basically Riot का और एक गेम है Valorant. People started playing that. That became really famous. तो COD खेलना शुरू किया लोगों ने. So they moved that. But remember one thing, not like everybody cannot afford a high spec laptop or a computer. So they can't really move to playing a PC game.
Especially India.
Of course in India, 100%. I'm talking only about India. I think internationally तो अलग game. Internationally everything is basically PC gaming. अब तक. And slowly it's changing. I'm confident it'll change for good. But India, after like all the reasons, right? क्यों अभी TikTok इतना famous हो गया था? क्यों basically other platforms? Cheap data, mobile phones सस्ते में मिल रहे हैं, penetration अच्छा हो रहा है, 4G आ रहा है, 5G आ रहा है, data cheap हो रहे हैं. So people will get more and more accessible to playing mobile games. So that basically will 100% change. At least from an India perspective, where India में, like I told you, कि अभी around 150,000 players हैं जो esports में compete करते हैं. That number is going up and will go up to 1.5 million. Yeah, into at least 4 years. That is what I've read, and that is what I'm seeing. Like you open basically any platform and you will see a new gamer coming up. People are doing everything and anything today. And अगर वो लोग क्रिकेट भी खेल रहे हैं फोन पे,
also FIFA का it's online tournament also, like I think so. It's 100%, FIFA World Cup, right?
Yeah. 100%.
FIFA World Cup. I don't know. Yeah. Something.
Yeah. So what I have heard internationally is a lot of youngsters now don't want to see normal soccer on, they want to see Akash playing FIFA on an esports competition. That's what people want to see. So that's a big thing, right? So ये सारे conversation हो रहे हैं. And the other conversation is largely people say कि अरे only gaming is all about like guys or it's a male driven game. ऐसा नहीं है. Stat basically is showing a different picture altogether. You'll see top gaming audience में basically female audience is 43%. Yeah. और age group अगर मैं बोलूँ, so all gamers put together, so from 18 to 24 there is only 10% gamer. From 25 age group से 44 age group तक there is 60% of people who are playing games.
Got it.
Yeah, so सबसे बड़ा age group है is 25 to 44. Plus उसमें भी basically there is a breakup. How many people are committed gamers? Now there are different types of gamers.
Got it.
Now committed gamers जो वो होते हैं जो दिन में एक बार गेम खेलते हैं. Then there are basically regular gamers. Then there are occasional gamers. रेगुलर गेमर्स हफ्ते में एक बार गेम खेल, एंड देन ओकेजनल गेमर्स महीने में एक बार गेम खेल. अब इसमें भी कमिटेड गेमर्स आर 80%. सो दे आर प्लेइंग समथिंग और द अदर. भले वो लोग पबजी नहीं खेल रहे हैं, या भले वो लोग बीजीएमआई नहीं खेल रहे हैं,
Got
या
it.
कुछ और नहीं खेल रहे, बट दे आर प्लेइंग लूडो, दे आर प्लेइंग समथिंग एल्स, दे आर प्लेइंग अ लॉट ऑफ अदर गेम्स. सो द ऑडियंस टिक, एंड एवरीवन हैज अ डिफरेंट मोटिव. जैसे कमिटेड गेमर है, जैसे मैं, और या तो आई डोंट नो वेदर यू प्ले एवरी डे.
No, I don't play every day.
हाँ, so I play every day, frankly, right? तो यानी किसी ने मुझे पूछा था कि आपका वो नॉइजी गाय क्यों है?
हाँ, exactly. मैं ही बोलना था, मैं पूछना था कि नॉइजी का क्यों है. Yeah.
Yeah, so because मेरा गेमिंग हैंडल नॉइजी गाय.
Oh shit.
So everywhere.
People trolling you या कोई फ्रेंड लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं, अरे नॉइजी का
नहीं नहीं नहीं
ट्रोल नहीं होता क्या?
नहीं ट्रोल नहीं होता.
क्या बात करते हो?
And basically people, and a lot of people have like pinged me saying you have taken my name, it's my कोई ऐसा बहुत सारे गेमर्स ने बोला है कि अरे नॉइजी गाय तो मेरा नाम है. मैं बोला डूड देख ले मेरा अकाउंट कब से है and you'll figure out.
Oh
And it's like, no,
shit.
I was just joking. So ऐसा, so there was like ऐसा एक दो ट्रोल होता है, but and I'm not a celeb to like for people to troll me, no.
Oh damn.
Yeah, so that's how it is. So the I think the community is growing and it's doing really really well, मेरे हिसाब से. And देख कैसा होता है कि also people who are playing in a one game, like I play BGMI, I always want to experiment. और क्या गेम है, और क्या गेम है, और क्या अच्छा गेम है, और क्या अच्छा गेम. So I keep experimenting. So in that space, there is still a lot of opportunity for other gamers to come in and utilize it. I see a lot of potential for other basically publisher to come and like launch their games, make it friendly so that people can play. Free Fire is an amazing example.
Yeah.
Free Fire, I think, is doing phenomenally well. CODM earlier was doing phenomenally well before
Yeah.
Free Fire came, right?
So basically, as you said ना कि जो girls का part था, तो I was there's this documentary on Netflix, High Score करके, which showed कि Pac-Man जो बहुत famous game है, right? Everyone knows Pac-Man. Like that is very popular in girls. Like that was that like changed the market. उसके पहले लड़कियां games खेलती नहीं थी video games में, लोग cyber cafe कुछ आते ही नहीं थे लोग. But because of Pac-Man, majority of the crowds were like girls.
Yeah.
What is happening? Like people are even now, right now, I don't know abroad, मतलब यहाँ पे भी ऐसा, I've seen a lot of Indian gamers like Payal or Entity Cat.
Correct.
Like people wouldn't know कि Payal का इतना withhold है या Pooja Gaming का इतना withhold है, right?
Correct.
You are this one guy who are talking to publishers, ठीक है, and big publishers. जो लोग मतलब जो दुनिया गेम खेल रहे हैं उनके publishers से you are talking, right?
Correct.
So what are the conversation which you guys are having? Because वो publishers भी आगे का सोच के चल रहे होंगे, right? And you are someone जो अभी इनको convert करे तो while converting them or while talking to them, there are a lot of conversation which happen in that room. Okay.
Correct.
So what are those conversation which happening? Where are this publisher reading? Because
so some of the communication basically which are not preview to like a lot of player here is a lot of people are seeing how can they capitalize on mobile gaming market in India. So they are working towards it. People like want to who are existing here are trying to see what more they can do. अब मैं तुझे एक बात बता रहा हूँ. Basically, Riot Games, and I'm giving you the example क्योंकि Riot Games internationally has built a big space for themselves when it comes to esports, right? And they're growing year after year after year. Launch event देखेगा, it is like one of the biggest launch event ever. It's much bigger than IPL in India, right? So very clearly, I can tell you that for sure. क्योंकि आप कोई भी सर्च करो basically आप YouTube पे और आप देख लो esports basically launch event of League of Legends and you'll understand what I'm talking about. So there are different kind of things. Like Free Fire करता है, lot of other games. बहुत लोग हर कोई खर्चा करता है. And people are building franchise. People are wanting like for them it is really important, right? To build a franchise.
Building franchise. Like मेरे को लग रहा है ऐसा IPL जैसा कुछ ऐसा हो जाने वाला है.
100% होगा. So basically, but see what will happen. The ownership today and in future, publishers want to keep a ownership of it. So वो कभी ये नहीं करेंगे, वो कभी ये नहीं होने देंगे कि मेरे गेम का फ्रेंचाइज मेरे से बड़ा कोई बनाए. So even today when BGMI does, now BGMI has recently like released one India tournament. उस पे 1 crore का प्राइज मनी मोटा. And if we ask them, dude, we want to do a tournament for a brand or for someone else, what should be the prize money? They will tell us you can't like go more than 75 lakhs because they want to keep that ownership with them. कि उनको उनके गेम में सबसे बड़ा टूर्नामेंट वो ही करेंगे और वो किसी और को करने नहीं देंगे. Also, this is one thing. The other thing is also, see, right now we are at a nascent stage in India where esports अभी इतने लेवल पे गया नहीं है. The next 5 years or 6 years is basically to build that ecosystem. Firstly, internationally क्या हो रहा है? People have already built it. Now what are they doing? They are getting into content. So उसी characters के साथ उन्होंने animation series निकाल दिया.
Can you give me like example कौन सा इसने?
So then again Riot Games. Look at any Riot Games. Go to their website. Look at About Us. They will see with their characters they have created an anime series.
Oh yeah.
So they are building franchise with the characters. अब कोई कैरेक्टर फेमस हो गया, उसमें बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स हैं, तो उसको कैरेक्टर के साथ इन्होंने कॉमिक सीरीज बना दी, एंड देन दे बिल्ड दैट सीरीज. टुमारो, आई डोंट नो वेदर यू नो दिस, एक नेटफ्लिक्स पे एक मूवी है वॉरक्राफ्ट.
ओके.
वॉरक्राफ्ट मेरे हिसाब से, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, इज अ गेमिंग कैरेक्टर्स का मूवी. उसको उन्होंने
Okay.
बेसिकली उस कैरेक्टर्स को पिक करके they have created a movie out of it where you see those characters in actual, like in an actual movie.
Oh, I remember there's this one more series like Dota 2 का एक सीरीज है Netflix पे anime पे.
Correct.
Yeah.
Anime to basically is like the other part of it. So that's how
obviously.
publishers are growing. So these are the two things that they're doing. They're also trying to see कि VR को कैसे वो लोग, augmented reality को वो लोग कैसे basically और integrate कर सकते हैं अपने games में. So that is another thing that they're thinking about. But largely now, in next 5 years, and in India, capitalizing on this market, capitalizing on the mobile ecosystem or the eco space is the, I think, their objective. Largely.
So like that was my next question कि obviously like Oculus या VR जो gaming है, okay, Oculus तो मतलब VR जो gaming है, और blockchain gaming, lot of people are talking about like that's the, people are saying कि blockchain is gonna be the third revolution after like internet और जो भी है. So are you guys like looking at those things like blockchain gaming or VR, or you guys just focusing on building this current ecosystem and उस पे अभी तक नहीं देखना चालू किया?
See, for us, and I am representing Loco right now, so I can give you that as an example. See, for us, we want to increase video views, or we want to view viewing habits. We want to tap on that habit.
Okay.
So we are publisher agnostic. यानी आप फ्री फायर खेलते हो, आप हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे आओ. आप स्ट्रीम करते हो फ्री फायर, अब अगर आप BGMI स्ट्रीम करते हो हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे आओ. अगर आप Valorant करते हो और आप Valorant के अच्छे प्लेयर हो, आप हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे आओ. We are trying to be an enabler where we give all these guys an audience, and this is the right audience. This is the gaming audience. So see, when I'm not playing PUBG, but today if I'm bored of watching content, what do I see? I see someone playing
exactly.
BGMI, right? Now that is really interesting. Now there are different things of it, and people watch it to gain skill कि क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए, tactics क्या होनी चाहिए. Other people just enjoy it. Like I use it for both. I enjoy it, and I also try and learn some tactics, but I can play better. Not that I want to become an esports player, but I just want to win that game, right? जैसे जैसे आपका level ऊपर जाता है, it becomes very competitive. So that's how it is. So our idea is to largely give them a platform, increase their view, so that whatever they want to do, they can do, and they become like a well-known influencer, and earn money. Eventually, that's the end objective.
Earn money. That is the end objective.
Yeah.
I say, come on. But yeah. So like I have two more as a serious question, but उसके लिए मेरे को like थोड़ा सा ऐसा turn करना है, okay? Because I have like, मैं अभी 1 साल से आपको जानता था. I have seen you giving interviews and stuff a lot of times, ठीक है?
Yeah.
So what is the most funny या अजीब सा चीज जो हुआ like with you during a particular interview, like maybe कि question बहुत बकवास था, maybe the interviewer was like उसका पेट दिख रहा था या क्या, मतलब कुछ भी एक ऐसा अजीब चीज जो याद है?
एक अजीब चीज हुई थी, and where I had asked a lot of my friends also to join, because it was a big forum where a lot of founders, senior founders of different companies were there.
Yeah.
In that forum, I think it was a half an hour or 45-minute panel discussion where a lot of other people were there, senior people. In that panel discussion, I think the moderator spoke more than all of us put together.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
So it became basically like he was the speaker and we are the moderator. It became like that. So that is one of the funny things that happens, where like I understand the excitement, but you have called a panel discussion for a reason. Yeah. So that's how it is. Yeah. So that was one of the funniest things that happened. Baki though, it's always like, see, it's largely networking, it's largely learning from each other, experience sharing. I am always there where there are brands, largely, so that they see what happened, what our perspective is, we see what their perspective is, and we can learn from each other. So हर panel में हर कोई एक mix होता है. So that's how it is. So that is really important. And for us also, we are so like busy with our daily routine. This gives us a chance to learn few things. Now today we are doing this. I would have done a lot of study to also answer a lot of your questions. That really doesn't happen.
Yeah, got it.
So इससे हम basically we also learn a lot. We also like take out time where we want to focus on when we know there is something serious going to happen. So let's just study about it. So we also get time to do our research bit, and that's why I have done my research. You have done your research. So it is helping us. It is helping me. It is helping you.
Exactly.
And also it is helping the audience who's watching.
Got it. And like you've been in this corporate world काफी time से, like 10 साल से ऊपर हो गया, like before Disney. 15 साल. Okay. Times of India, Disney, and like Pocket Aces and stuff. So like, what is the most embarrassing thing which you did, like पूरे corporate job में, जो ऐसा है कि अरे यार क्या मतलब क्या बेवकूफ इंसान हो, कभी स्टार्ट में क्या होगा, कभी तो क्या होगा, बट लाइक जो याद होगा,
embarrassing thing.
which you did, which you did, like अभी ऐसा है कि shit में क्या गधा हुआ ऐसा किया ऐसा करके.
See, there are many instances where a lot of people misunderstand you when you're doing any conversation, right? So बहुत जगह पे क्या होता है कि there was a really recent incident where the intention was not to like pull down the सामने वाला person or show him that कि आप and I am superior, you are not superior. But
Okay.
sometimes what happens in an argument, you always feel अरे ये बोलना नहीं चाहिए था, या ऐसा नहीं कि आपने बोला नहीं, but sometimes what happens that the other person takes it in a wrong way,
Yeah,
and it becomes
got it.
really difficult for you to then tell him कि this is not the way that I was saying you, but in the moment that happens. So that is like, you have to be really careful when you talk to like people out there, because they don't know you much, so they will form their own judgment. That's how it is. So you have to be really, really careful when you talk to people. Yeah, that's one thing that I would advise a lot of people to do. इन्हें किसी को अपना दोस्त मत समझो, है ना? Yeah, be very professional and be very nice to people when you're talking to them. ऐसा होता है कि see, ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, is a mistake, right?
Okay, got it.
I'm saying you say something and the other person doesn't like your face. Let's take that into example.
Got it.
And or they are into some crisis where you're not helping, so they will think something else that you spoke to them about. It's not about you. And of course, like 15 साल के बाद you can't like mince words. You have to be really, really careful about talking to people. But someone assumes like the conversation that you had, and they'll assume something else about it. And then they will say, no, this is what you meant. I said, yeah, and really sorry if you felt like that, but this is not what I meant. Yeah.
Damn,
so that
is age also like 15 साल के बाद भी
100%, yeah. Because आपको 15 साल हुआ है, सामने वाले को कुछ और साल हुए होंगे ज्यादा.
Got it.
So yeah, it's a very, very thin line, but yeah, you have to be really careful when you are like in this corporate world. And this has been like the most embarrassing thing, right? And it happens, but you have to learn from it. Yeah.
Damn, बाप रे, like okay, like 15 साल के बाद भी ऐसे embarrassing moments होते हैं. So I'm like कि wow, but crazy.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's this one more thing before jumping back to esports. Like, what is this BLS study जो काफी famous चल रहा है? Like BLS study or third
BLS study
party?
is basically a brand lift study.
Yeah,
So
which
what
you
do
guys
we
are
do?
doing.
So what we don't do it. Basically, what we do is any campaign that we do for any client. कैसा होता है कि there is no clear outcome or the measurable outcome जो उनका होता है campaign का, वो आपको दिखता कैसा है? When you do a campaign, you'll see कि इसके इतने views आए और इसमें इतना engagement आया. Generally, when you do a video campaign, आपको यही दिखता है. Largely आपको कुछ और दिखता नहीं है. या आपको दिखेगा कि, or you'll see like what is the
click through ratio or the
yeah. So all that you'll come to know, and you'll also understand which markets have you like this campaign has reached to, which target audience. But what has it done to the brand? Apart from वो देखिएगा कि the brand manager will look at, okay, I have done like a 15 days of campaign, and in 15 days what has happened to my brand? Firstly, he'll say sale हुआ क्या ऊपर. Now he'll check कि मेरा sale कितना बढ़ा. That is like obvious thing people do. The other things are the softer sides of the brand. Affinity बढ़ी है, and people have started liking your brand now. A lot of other things. Now that's and you won't be able to understand or find out. People just assume. So while you are doing a great campaign, why do you want like people to assume? You show them stats. So we do this study with third party agencies, जैसे NEPA हो गया या जैसे Nielsen हो गया. We tie up with them. We do one study where they will do a dipstick before the campaign, after the campaign. Before the campaign, what the brand used to. So there are different parameters where we sit with the clients and we understand which parameters do you want to monitor or study before the campaign. Now, what do you want to change? So what is basically the outcome of doing this campaign? How is this campaign a successful campaign? You tell us this. So we write it down. So 1, 2, 3, 4 should happen for him or for her to call this campaign a successful campaign. And we start monitoring it, tracking it. So वो करने के लिए we do BLS study, which is brand lift study. और उसमें हमें softer sides of जो brands के हैं या whatever like good things are happening to the brand, which is not quantifiable. So that we track in a BLS study. As simple as that. And then we'll tell him कि this is what happened. This is after this campaign, so much like there are a lot of things that can happen. So we sit with them, we do a detailed breakdown, and we tell them ये हुआ है आपके brands के साथ. After doing this campaign, I think you should do these campaigns. Or next, these are the learnings that you should take into account. So we do a lot of other stuff. Yeah. We also do it for our shows. जैसे अभी Operation MBBS है. Operation MBBS में what we would have done better. So we do that also for our show, so that the creative people feel कि हाँ, this direction पे जाना चाहिए, ये डायरेक्शन में जाना चाहिए. So to improve what we're doing is really important.
Yeah, because like BLS, like there was this one thing that I read about ki because of your BLS you guys got HUL, like that is one of the biggest companies and जो usually content agencies को नहीं करते.
Correct.
Right. So like I was like, what is this thing? And yep, there are a lot of things about content that is not quantifiable.
Correct.
Like, except for the views, जो things है.
Correct.
So
and comments basically.
Yeah, exactly.
And
Views, engagement जो हाँ exactly.
Yeah,
engagement के अलावा there are a lot of things जो शायद जो brand authenticity भी बना दे, but वो नहीं पता चलेगा.
Correct.
But yeah, so like you are there in this industry for like 15 years, ठीक है, and you have done a lot of मतलब media revenue, काफी कुछ कर चुके हैं, काफी experience आ गया. Like what is, एक तो company goal होता है, ठीक है, but like what is your goal now? Like at this age, at this stage अभी, like at this position, what is your goal?
See, I think the goal is of course to move ahead and like evolve your skills, right? So any stage you are in a career, you should not stop learning is what I've believed in, right? और आपको अभी more than a decade हो गया है and things have changed. People are moving into the new age, you know, buying, selling, AI, a lot of things, blockchain that you said, a lot of those things are coming up, right? So you have to keep upgrading yourself. It's really, really important. So आप आपकी skills बढ़ाओ. Firstly, you start looking out for different courses that you can do, which I am also trying to figure out what more I can study so that I can sharpen my skills. And also learning. आपने revenue handle कर लिया. I've been handling revenue since 15 years now. So I know how to manage, how to navigate into different stream of business, revenue streams क्या होने चाहिए, क्या अलग-अलग avenues होते हैं revenue बनाने के. I have learned that in 15 years. And now slowly I'm getting into understanding how to run a business. So that's the next step. So maybe a business head where you understand the overall business and not just revenue. This is what the next step is. And then this is basically the 5-year plan that I'm looking at.
Okay.
So and then slowly you grow and you see, then you'll run basically a business, then you'll run a company, then you represent a country, right? Then you'll become an India head sort of a thing for X Media House. And then you become an Asia Pac head, but also you run that business. Then you become global head, then you become global CEO. So this is like the progress. But yeah, step by step होता है.
And as you said कि हर बार change हो रहा है चीजें, right? Like daily इतना सारा काम होगा, इतने लोगों से बात करना होगा. Okay, so usually जैसे as you age and as you get more and more responsibility, बहुत ज़्यादा दिमाग में चिक बहुत होता है, and you just lose that learning ability, right? So like how are you saying, because for you like you need to learn things. अभी वो लोको का चीज है. Loco is very new age, like compared to a lot of other things. Like content भी ठीक है, but Loco is like very new age thing, ठीक है? Like how are you able to like learn, because you have a lot of things going on. अभी interview का you have something other also. And if you don't grow, then तुम्हें खुद को ऐसा अंदर से होता है कि oh shit, I'm not growing.
Yeah. There are times when like you feel, dude, you have to learn, and this is the time when आप next क्या कर रहे हो? See, I have been lucky enough to be in. So my journey started when I was a sales guy. And हम लोग newspaper बेचते थे. Then we moved to television. Yeah. Basically space selling जो हम लोग बोलते हैं television में. Then we started selling time on TV, and then from that to move to a content. And also content, I moved in content basically I think 7 years back, 8 years back. That was when content was like वो बोलते हैं ना उसका जन्म हो रहा था. So that is the time when I especially wanted to enter that stream, and I moved very early. So I have seen like from the driver's seat, where is the content industry going, and how am I like using it for my company's advantage and for my advantage, frankly. Now I can see the same for gaming, and that's why I want to be on that driving seat. So now that opportunity has been given to you through Loco. So you make most of it. How do you get yourself up to what you're selling? Is you talk to people. Lastly, you read a lot. You talk to people who are running the business. Abhi Loco mein, I think the people who are fronting the gamers community, I talk to them, and I understand what is happening in this community. What are they thinking? What do they want to do? We do catch-ups. हमारा बेसिकली हफ्ते में 2 कैचअप होता है विद द ओवरऑल लीडरशिप टीम ऑफ लोको, वेयर वी ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या हो रहा है स्पेस में, राइट? दे वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ब्रांड्स के स्पेस में क्या हो रहा है. सो दे वर रियली एक्साइटेड अरे जिलेट आया. So they were excited, dude, Gillette had come up. If you see internationally, a lot of brands have already tied up with League of Legends and a lot of esports. जैसे Mercedes हो गया, BMW. A lot of these brands have already have their brand ambassador, because it's all about adrenaline rush. Na? When you're playing that game, it's basically that rush. And you're playing, and when you're driving, and you're driving a high-speed car, it's that rush. So there is like a seamless, I would say, synergies.
Yeah.
So that is what people want to capitalize. Axe is like one brand which has tied up with League of Legends. अभी यहाँ पे नहीं हुआ है.
स्टेज जो फ्लो करके एक स्टेज है जो ऐसा मतलब एक स्टडी ने फाइंड आउट किया कि फ्लो क्या होता है कि दीज आर थिंग्स जो एथलीट्स एंड जो हाई परफॉर्मेंस चीज रेसेस एंड वो लोग सब ज्यादा ये चीज एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं वेयर यू आर जस्ट लूज द ट्रैक ऑफ द टाइम एंड यू आर लाइक एट योर कंप्लीट बेस्ट लाइक एवरीथिंग गोज इनटू दिस एंड दैट्स व्हाट ई स्पोर्ट प्लेयर्स आर आल्सो एक्सपीरियंसिंग. बस ट्रेडिशनल स्पोर्ट्स में मसल्स यूज होता है, इसमें ज्यादा मसल्स तो यूज हो ही रहते हैं क्लिक्स एंड प्ले में, बट तुम्हारा IQ एंड ब्रेन पावर ज्यादा यूज होता है. बट दैट्स द फ्लो स्टेज जो जैसे एथलीट्स लोग जैसा होता है, दैट्स व्हाट ई-स्पोर्ट्स इज गोइंग ऑन. And because of this flow stage, like according to a lot of people, traditional sports player and e-sports player are like at equal par. Like अभी कैसे हो रहा है कि पहले सिर्फ सब traditional sports player कोई ज्यादा fans, fandom and reach and money and वो सब है, but e-sports gonna be at the same par. Like
100%. So people are saying 5 साल में you'll see e-sports competing with IPL. So that's what study is saying. अभी like I believe in that study and let's see where it goes. But it's really interesting ना कि अभी आप 2021 में हो, 2025 तक अगर आप देखोगे कि and you witness this journey from the driving seat, then that becomes a different learning altogether. That is the high. That is the high, and that is the learning that you get. And then people will come to you to understand, what do you think? What happened? You were there. So what happened then? What were the learnings? So, and then you also like give your inputs to the to a lot of people who want to understand and want to learn. I have calls today where people don't want to talk about business. They just want to talk about क्या हो रहा है gaming community में, हमें बताओ. Right? So there is largely that calls are happening with brands because they also want to like capitalize on it. And I'm happy that a lot of brands have now started to look at this very serious. पहले क्या होता था, सिर्फ there used to be जैसे Oppo, Vivos of the world, OnePluses of the world used to be really aggressive. One brand which always like stayed ahead and always was with this community was Mountain Dew.
Okay.
क्योंकि Mountain Dew का proposition ऐसा था. I don't know whether you remember PUBG में there was an integration where the drink जो लोग पीते हैं energy drink, वो Mountain Dew से replace किया गया था.
Oh, yeah. I had no idea.
Yeah.
I thought you would say Red Bull or Monster or maybe OnePlus because all of
that is energy drink. But from a brand's perspective, this is basically like Mountain Dew has been seriously into gaming and they've been like doing a lot of tournaments. अब सब लोग घुस रहे हैं उसके अंदर, right? So there are a lot of course, your laptops, your PCs of the world, जैसे Logitech है, Lenovo है, सब घुसेगा.
You guys are doing something with Logitech.
Yeah, we are doing a lot of things. We are also doing a show, a web series now on gaming.
वही मैं सोच रहा था, like this is one big web series coming and you guys are like पूरा bet उस पे है.
We have already shoot शुरू हो चुका है. We are doing cameos of a lot of these players coming and like doing guest appearances. So we are trying to capitalize it. When you see a market capitalizing and when you see brands wanting to do something new, you also have to change your strategy when it comes to content. अब that is the right move. अगर आपको पता है कि गेमिंग कंटेंट है और गेमिंग कंटेंट पे आगे फ्यूचर होने वाला है और अगर आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो आपके कंटेंट पे, तो फिर आप कैपिटलाइज ही नहीं कर रहे हो, then how will you like grow the revenue? So that's the job of a revenue head, that he or she should understand what is the next move in terms of piece of content. So we sit with our content team. अब DICE के साथ, अभी DICE का गेमिंग का कोई लेना देना नहीं, but we spoke to them. We told them, you do gaming, there is a lot of traction. We should do at least one show on gaming. And then we discussed, we figured out a game, we reached a lot of sponsors, and I think today we've closed that show and that's our biggest show in terms of revenue. We got 2-3 brands on board and everyone is really, really excited. We've also casted good people, good directors. So on that show, so we're just waiting for it to like come out. अभी वो September तक में, I think September end में release होगा, but we are shooting as we speak. But everyone is really important. Really basically excited.
Damn. This is like one of the biggest move ना अभी ये scene में. Like crazy man, crazy. How are you guys so ahead of your time? मतलब अभी यहाँ पे hardly कोई gaming content कर रहा था, या तो chat shows and all वो तो हो रहा है, but इसके अलावा web series, cool.
But you have to do it, no? Otherwise, see, being in a company where you say कि you are the new age media company, and if you still talk about Saas Bhi Kahi Bahu Thi, that doesn't happen. You have to be ahead of the game. So people who are watching you want to watch content around it. And see, I'm not saying कि गेमिंग का कंटेंट हुआ नहीं है, हुआ है. यानी Tencent ने पहले खुद से क्रिएट किया है एक 5 एपिसोड, यानी दोस्ती का नया मैदान is what the show was called. जिसमें this was short series, जैसे हर एपिसोड में एक short movie sort of a thing. But this is going to be one big web series which is launching this year, and we are riding on it, and we are spending a lot on its marketing. So that's going to be really big for us. Yeah.
big move, बहुत ज़्यादा.
So that's what it's really important for us to move quickly. Otherwise क्या होगा फिर वो आप जब second बन जाते हो ना तो आपको कोई
Yeah,
सुनता नहीं. The first
exactly.
move advantage is the advantage that you'll get in terms of PR. It's a lot of things.
Lot of things. Yep.
So gaming will be really important. Yeah, we were really focused. Yeah.
Obviously, but like before my last question, like so I purposely did this deep wala thing because when I was last time वाला कैसा था, हम लोगों ने बात किया था about content selling and all, but हमारा काफी ज्यादा मतलब मस्ती भी था. But then when I was researching about gaming and esports, वो इतना deep है ना, I was like, okay, let's get to the part monetization पहले part से, because there's a lot of things जो हम लोग अभी तक cover कर भी नहीं पाएंगे, इतना बड़ा इतना vast हो गया वो चीज, right?
Correct.
But I want to ask you, like, you have written down few pointers, right? तो व्हाट आर दोस पॉइंटर्स जो अभी तक मैंने निकाले नहीं, बट लाइक देयर वर लेफ्ट, लाइक क्या मेजर पॉइंटर्स?
See, largely यानी 2-3 पॉइंटर्स ये है कि इंडिया में एक तो मैंने एक पॉइंटर्स बोला was कि 1.5 मिलियन प्लेयर्स.
या
These are e-sports players, I'm saying. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई गेम नहीं खेल रहा है, but these are dedicated sports. जैसे if I have to say cricket, और क्रिकेट में कितने लोग क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, very serious people. These are going to be that. There are going to be multiple franchise which is going to come out. That is one data that I told you basically. Male-female ratio that I told you. Also, 5G is coming soon. So 5G is going to enable a lot of extra basically possibility for a lot of brands to come in. India basically 5th largest mobile gaming market है across the world.
5th largest? So, I thought it should be the largest.
It's 5th largest, yeah. And of course, अभी तो basically बहुत कुछ होना बाकी है. And you will see a lot of things. अभी तो सिर्फ शुरुआत हुई है gaming की. Now you will see a lot of people. When I started gaming on mobile, I used to talk to a lot of people. They were saying क्या खेल रहा है game. Now they've started playing after 2.5 years.
Oh.
Imagine. So
this
imagine,
is what happened with you. Do you know Entity, TSN, like TSN Entity? So उसके co-founder का when I did the podcast last year, so he was like, when I was doing it in 2000 ना, like our father used to bash us and बोलते थे क्या game खेल रही है वो, and he went into game design and all. And now it's like जब वही लोग, because COVID में their rates data came in ना कि gaming esports is booming and stuff, and now they have like दो लोग grow हो गए, तो now the same people are calling him and like they're like, bro बता ना ये कैसे करते, like bro ये क्या चल रहा है, and all. He's like कि मैंने इतना मार खा के पूरा बनाया है. I'm like, तो that's what you're saying.
Correct. And also see, the gaming कैसा है कि जिसने शॉर्ट वीडियो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को सपोर्ट किया, वही चीजें गेमर्स को भी सपोर्ट करती हैं.
Yeah.
जैसे डेटा हो गया, फोन, accessibility. There are a lot of players, there are a lot of like brands who are now selling phone at 10,000 rupees where you can easily play a lot of these games. Now that is becoming, like the gaming is becoming more accessible. That was another data that I found out. दूसरा ये है कि unique views, जैसे तूने बोला अभी, during pandemic, a lot of views, a lot of new players got into gaming because there was nothing to do. Content बाहर बन नहीं रहा था. Netflix पे ज्यादा कंटेंट था नहीं, किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म पे कंटेंट था नहीं. No one could create any content. People were getting bored. What do? They started downloading games. So much so that the unique count of people who were playing games increased by 1.5x. So a lot of people downloaded games, started playing games. Timing change हो गया. People earlier used to play once they leave from office during their travel time. अब ऐसा नहीं है. अभी travel तो है ही नहीं. So the timing changed of playing game. Now they play in the afternoon and in the evening. Earlier the peak used to be in the evening. And this goes across. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ गेमिंग पे, and even content देखने में, short format content देखने में. But I was saying कि कुछ shoot ही नहीं हो रहा है, तो आप देखोगे क्या? So that's why people started moving towards gaming, क्योंकि at least you are engaged with something for 45 minutes, half an hour, or whatever, 10 minutes. So वो वहाँ peak हुआ. That was another data point that I saw. Yeah, and also experimenting. A lot of people want to experiment in different games. So there is a lot of space for other publishers to come and launch their new games. बहुत space है. और हर कोई gamer कोई ना कोई game try करेगा ही 100%. So he will try. हाँ, if the game is like really good, it will go 100%. And you'll get audience for it. Yeah, यही सब था. बाकी तो बाकी we covered a lot. Rest तो अभी
Did I do my job bet? मतलब अच्छा किया कि नहीं किया मैंने?
फिलहाल तो अच्छा किया है.
फिलहाल अच्छा किया, except for the internet fuck-ups और बाकी सब चीजों से अच्छा, बाकी सब तो सही था.
Correct. And also one more thing कि types of games.
हाँ.
जैसे एक हो गया casual game. जैसे Candy Crush हो गया, या एक हो गया basically card game. Card game is also like one of the games. And which generation plays what? Like Generation Z plays casual game, arcade games, and card games. Millennial play action games, say PUBG, board games and card games. And Generation X plays arcade games, board games, and card games. So different types of games. That is also a piece of information.
What is the next innovation do you think? जैसा content में have you seen like जैसा Man vs Wild का एक Netflix पे एक चीज है like you versus
वो बहुत पहले से था इंटरैक्टिव
हाँ
कंटेंट.
एग्जैक्टली इंटरैक्टिव कंटेंट. So do you think गेमिंग में because like अभी you guys were the first to enter, अभी घुस गए लोग, ठीक है, तो उधर कैपिटलाइज करना एक अलग चीज हो गया एंड कोई नए चीज पे फट से कैपिटलाइज करना, as you said you need to be quick, right? So next thing जहाँ पे अपन क्विकली कैपिटलाइज कर सकते हैं, there's still space because ये थोड़ा भी बन चुका है, like फिर भी डेवलप करने को बड़ा.
Yeah. See, as of now, तो basically in the next 5 years में मोटा सैचुरेट हो जाएगा गेमिंग मेरे हिसाब से.
एग्जैक्टली
वो तो होगा ही.
मुझे लग रहा है अभी भी थोड़ा सा होने आ गया लाइक,
क्योंकि वो तुझे लग रहा है कि इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ अस. इट्स बेसिकली आवर पीयर्स. हमें लग रहा है कि सैचुरेट हो गया.
गॉट इट. हाँ,
इंडिया इज अ डिफरेंट like world altogether, so there we still have to cover a lot of masses. तो वो तो बाकी है अभी, वो और 5 साल में होगा I'm sure. And also see, करियर है ना सबका, हर किसी का करियर चेंज हो रहा है.
हाँ,
पहले हर कोई इंजीनियर बनता था या हर कोई डॉक्टर बनता था या हर कोई एटलीस्ट कुछ ना कुछ बनता था. अब people like want to become a gamer and start earning because they can do what they love and they can start earning. अगर I don't know whether you've seen Snapdragon का ad, so they have also shown in their TVC कि यार India is changing. And India basically like someone is becoming like a gamer and earning. So वो सारी चीजें, so the opportunity will grow. And right now is the time when if you want to take this career very seriously, you should 100% jump into it because this is going to be big in terms of building your own career. तो वो तो हर कोई बोल रहा है, ऐसा नहीं कि मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Everyone is talking about it lastly, and there are a lot of people who are supporting also, so who are ready to support, who are eagerly waiting for new gamers to come in, new talent. They want to see new talent. जैसे भी हमने देखा सचिन के बाद विराट कोहली, फिर यूवी. So वो चलते रहेगा. Exactly. आज basically थग, मॉर्टल, आपका जॉनथन, आपका स्काउट है. कल कोई और होगा. कल कोई और होगा, परसों कोई और होगा. So people want to see those talents. How is he better than like the earlier? But हाँ, यानी God तो God होता है. सचिन होगा. That's how it is. So that's how it is.
Are you talking about Dynamo or Soul moving the God?
Yeah, but I'm saying that I don't want to comment that I don't want to comment as of now.
Yeah, Loco needs to be neutral.
So yeah, so I'm saying, see, everyone, of course, यानी Dynamo और Mortal नहीं basically, and see also it depends on how good you are as a player. या तो आप Dravid बन सकते हो, a gentleman, या तो आप मैं कोई और बन सकते हो. I don't want to name like the Indian cricketers, but I would say Dravid बनोगे तो आपको बहुत प्यार मिलेगा.
Got it.
The idea has to be that you have to be a gentleman, even if you grow in this business, and you'll get a lot of followers. आप थोड़ा headed रहो, बस that's how it is, and it will grow. And within like you'll see a lot of developments, a lot of launches now. बहुत सारे लोग बहुत कुछ launch करने वाले हैं mobile gaming space पे. And then the next move is of course augmented reality. When you are immersive and you're playing the game like you play other VR games. That is I think the next level. But उसके लिए आपका data has to be really strong. The ecosystem जैसे हम लोग बोल रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रिक कार के लिए अभी और 4 साल बाकी है खरीदने के लिए, क्योंकि अपने यहाँ पे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है वैसा. I think the infrastructure 5G आने के बाद और strong होगा, तब you will see different versions of games. Platform है ना, games तो वही होगा. The way you play it, आज आप मोबाइल पे खेलते हो, पहले आप सिर्फ पीसी पे खेल पाते थे, उसके पहले आप सिर्फ लैन पे खेल पाते थे, काउंटर स्ट्राइक.
लैन पे खेल पाते थे. एग्जैक्टली.
करेक्ट. अब बेसिकली
वो अटारी आता था ऐसा कार्ट्रिज वाला.
तो बेसिकली अब बेसिकली the way you play, it will be more immersive. आप खुद उस गेम के अंदर चले जाओगे. अभी आप स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हो. So that is what the future is going to be, and people are already working on it. A lot of things are going to change. It's basically a virtual world out there. Even today, if you see, people are in Erangel then at their place. Erangel map में है वो लोग. कहाँ हैं? कोचिंकी में कूद रहे हैं basically. So for them, that is their world.
We need to be very adaptive and quick, मतलब because ये चीज ने मेरा माइंड ब्लो कर दिया. मुझे मतलब यूजुअली कैसा होता है ना कि इट्स जस्ट समथिंग जो तो ऐसा यू जस्ट गो ऑन टू न्यूट्रल से हमारा पूरा पल्स है ना एकदम ऐसा हो जाता है बिकॉज़ देयर इज सो मच ऑफ डेप्थ इसमें. मतलब जब सुन रहा हूं मैं तो इट्स लाइक कि शिट. मतलब
करेक्ट. आई विल बी रियली हैप्पी टू सी लाइक जैसे हम लोग आईपीएल का लॉन्च इवेंट करते हैं, जब ई स्पोर्ट्स का लॉन्च इवेंट होगा ना तब देखने में मजा आएगा. एंड आई एम होपिंग कि वो दिन जल्दी आए. Because that will be another, like people have always spoken about India needs to come up with some other game other than cricket, and this is that game.
It's gonna
that he
happen
should.
soon. It's
Yeah,
gonna...
yeah. I'm sure. I'm confident it's gonna
क्या
happen.
पता पॉकेट एसीसी उसका कुछ रहे, मैं यू नेवर नो, पॉकेट एसीसी प्लान कर रहा हूँ कुछ फ्रेंचाइज या
See,
आईपीएल ऐसा कुछ या कुछ.
everyone is basically jumping on it. I'm not saying no, but and a lot of जैसे हमें basically किसने फंड किया? Krafton ने.
हम्म.
Krafton wants us largely to popularize BGMI जितना भी है, and वो already है, but he wants to like push it more so that we control like and we popularize this market for the game. That is really important. अभी जो हम लोग जो शो भी करेंगे, we haven't decided इसमें क्या गेम होगा, but we'll figure out कि BGMI अगर उसमें हो सकता है. That is what we are also trying to see.
Okay.
That we're not sure. So that's again thing. So yeah, that's the strategy.
Damn, my God. फाड़ दिया सर जी आपने. बहुत सही टॉपिक चूज किया आपने.
बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक है एक्चुअली. और
बहुत
बेसिकली
crazy.
इस पे बहुत लोगों को कुछ पता नहीं है. So it's really important for us to talk about it so that people start noticing it.
Yeah.
Really. See, a lot of people have started noticing it, but a lot of people who are still in the space where they think, अरे इंडिया में इन्हें मूवीज ही चलेंगी. एक टाइम पे लोग बोलते थे कि बेसिकली शाहरुख खान, सलमान खान की मूवीज चलेंगी.
That's gonna die soon. अभी like
which is already gone, right? So
yeah,
you'll
yeah.
see a lot of Netflix stars today are doing really, really well. So that's another like a different step altogether. But will we be able to build sports? Now that's a content space में comparison towards movies and web series. अब हम लोग compare कर रहे हैं cricket versus esports.
Yeah.
Now esports could be anything. Like it could be any. अभी as of now we are seeing action games में हो रहा है excitement India में. If that is the case, then that is the case. But yeah, that's how it is.
And I've seen जितना मैंने कर रहा था research, I've seen a lot of people are talking about esports and all, but ये सब चीजें कवर नहीं हो रही. Like they're saying कि हाँ next thing is जैसा कैसे लोग बोलते रहे कि हाँ VR AR is gonna be big thing. But उसके अंदर का क्या है? लोगों को पता कैसे चलेगा उसके अंदर का क्या है? Like how would I be? अभी जो चीज मुझे नहीं समझेगा वो चीज मैं करूंगा ही नहीं. There are a lot of people who won't adapt to that thing जब तक मुझे समझेगा नहीं. Once you get understand to that, then you can adapt to it. जैसे डेबिट कार्ड हो गया, क्रेडिट कार्ड हो गया, जो भी सीन हो गया. Same is for these things. But yeah, thank you so much man for doing this, and I think so next वाला तो for sure physical, like पक्का physical करना हम लोगों को. And I'm gonna ask you वहाँ पे तो मैं ऐसा घुस जाऊंगा कि ये पैसे रेवेन्यू कहाँ से, पहला पैसा किधर आता है, उधर से किधर जाता है. मैं पहले से बता के रख रहा हूँ, मैं ये पूछने वाला हूँ. Because this is like मुझे actually physical करना था, but the thing is कि because of, so I have just started hiring people this month. Correct. I'm like कि on बारिश होगा and then you know traveling and equipments and all का खर्चा अलग. So I was like कि shit, मतलब मैं एक वाइस प्रेसिडेंट को बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है. I'm like मुझे इतना बकवास फील हो रहा था ना खुद के बारे में. But then I was like कि I should be honest rather than you know घुमाने से अच्छा.
Of course.
So that's the reason I said कि नहीं हम लोग ऐसा कर सकते हैं, and then you just arrange the mic and stuff. So thanks. Yeah. That's the passion you have about this gaming esports and all.
Yeah. It's really, really important. See, also the passion to be like ahead of the curve is really important. कि आपने पहले किया ये, भले आपके बाद लोग आएंगे करने के लिए और वो करेंगे भी अच्छा आपसे, पर आपने क्या किया पहले? That's really, really important, and that's basically very encouraging and very motivating for you to keep going.
And that's you have it because of fitness में भी वैसे हो, gaming में भी ऐसा है, सब चीज में you have that thing कि मतलब करना है
basically वही करोगे नहीं तो फिर then you will be like furniture.
But yes, तो next वाला तो कैसे भी करके I think so मैं इसको ग्रो करके next वाला तो मैं physical करना ही है. मैं पवई आ जाऊंगा, घर पे हम लोग करेंगे.
डन.
तब तक मेरे पास इक्विपमेंट के पैसे आ जाएंगे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर डूइंग दैट. थैंक यू फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. यू नो कोई और होता तो शायद मुझे बोलते जा रहे क्या बोल रहा है, एंड यू नो दे वुड जस्ट ब्लॉक मी और समथिंग लाइक दैट. बट यू आल्सो आई डोंट नो, लाइक आई वाज की मे बी बिकॉज़ यू नो आई वाज जस्ट लाइक यू वांटेड टू डू दैट, लाइक कि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है. लाइक आई एम सेइंग दिस टू समवन. It's okay. Revenue का करता है. So I was like कि you know usually someone would say blocking because यार I'm giving you my time, like I'm nothing right now. Getting me. अभी मैं फिलहाल कुछ नहीं हूँ तो and I'm still getting this opportunity, so I should be thankful and I should be able to grab it right now.
See, also the objective is to spread this message across, right? अभी जो भी हमें बोलना है, and we should be एक तो you talking about it, like we talking about it, right? Now, if I'm talking about gaming, tomorrow if someone figures out कि क्या gaming में कौन है बंदा, किससे बात करना चाहिए, they know कि आकाश के चैनल ने सुना था कि विश्वनाथ से बात करना चाहिए, let's talk to him. I have been approached by a lot of people. I've been getting like a lot of LinkedIn requests or just about let's chat about what is happening in gaming. I want to understand, and like a lot of like heads from big MNCs like Pepsi say basically reached out to us, reached out to me specifically and wanted to have a half an hour quick chat. What is happening in space? What are you guys doing? नया फंडिंग आया है, क्या कर रहे हो, क्या करने वाले हो? All that. So that's really exciting, interesting. People want to understand from you. So that becomes a little motivating. So ये खुद सीखते रहो और दुनिया को सिखाते रहो is really important.
Got it. Thanks for doing this. Thank you so much, Vishwanath, for doing this. And let's do a physical podcast soon.
Done. Sure. Okay, see you.
Bye.
Bye.